Hello, and thank you for your interest in Kumba. The onset of COVID-19 has made this an extraordinary year for all of us. Our thoughts are with everyone impacted by the disease and its effects. At Kumba, we adapted our business quickly and comprehensively to meet the human, operational, and market challenges of the likely enduring reality of COVID-19. Our company delivered a strong performance in the first half of the year with an EBITDA of 17.4 billion rand at a margin of 55%. We are a resilient and capital efficient business with a robust balance sheet, well positioned to navigate the current environment and the longer term. Our results were achieved thanks to the efforts of our employees and contractors and their focus on safe and responsible production, even during these difficult times. As such, I would like to start today with our most important value, the safety and health of our people, and the We Care program, which helped make this possible. For us, the safety and health of our employees and contractors has always been our first priority. So I am pleased to say that we have now marked 4 years of being fatality-free. In these unprecedented times, it is even more critical to safeguard both lives and livelihoods and support the entire ecosystem in which we operate. To do this, we have implemented an extensive We Care program across 4 pillars of physical health, mental health, living with dignity, and community response that supports our workforce, communities, and suppliers. In practice, this program includes screening and testing, workforce education and communication, mental health support, contingency plans to ensure social distancing at work, and to allow for periods of self-isolation and remote working. As part of We Care, we are also contributing to our local communities by providing essential services such as water, healthcare, medical services in partnership with the Provincial Department of Health and Social Development, the local municipalities, as well as other stakeholders. It is therefore thanks to the collaboration and support of our host communities, unions, and government, and the safe practices of our people that we have been able to reopen and ramp up production safely. How has this affected production and performance? Kumba's production of 17.9 million tons and sales of 18.6 million tons were in line with our COVID-19 adjusted expectations for the first half of the year. This follows continued improvements as we returned to pre-COVID-19 run rates in June. Kumba is well positioned for the challenging environment we face. Our strong EBITDA performance has translated into 7.1 billion rands of attributable free cash flow and a ROCE of 84%. And so, taking into account our strong earnings, the resilience required for our new operating conditions, and the need for a robust balance sheet, I am pleased to tell you that the board has decided to declare an interim cash dividend of 19.60 rand per share, representing a payout ratio of 75% of headline earnings per share. In a sign of confidence in our long-term future, we are pleased to announce the approval of a 7 billion rand investment into Kapstevel South Pit to sustain our Kolomela operations. At Kumba, we remain committed to our strategic imperatives of margin enhancement and life extension, which are key to our sustainability. As you will see, our margin continued to benefit from constructive market prices and currency weakness, as well as the early and decisive action we took to protect our margin through additional cash preservation measures. This included delivering 700 million rand in cost savings for the year to date. In the 6 months to June, we achieved an average realized FOB export price of $93 per ton. This has allowed us to protect an EBITDA margin of 55% and leaves us with a strong net cash position of 15.7 billion rand. Our purpose as a company is to reimagine mining to improve people's lives. That means we need to share the value we create. In the last 6 months, we have shared over 13 billion rand with our stakeholders, including staff and communities. This includes an additional 56 million rand spent on WeCare measures to support the community in the fight against COVID-19. In addition to having been fatality-free for more than 4 years, our occupational disease rates have also been reduced to 0. This reflects our uncompromising and continued commitment to health and safety. On the environmental side, we have also now achieved 4 years with no major environmental incidents. All this means we have a resilient business. Our approach to navigating the pandemic will continue to be based on ensuring the resilience of our business, living our values of care and respect, and fulfilling our purpose to reimagine mining to improve people's lives. We are building on our strategy to further strengthen our business and ensure that we remain agile, resilient, and able to meet the challenges that we face. Our competitive products, flexible value chain, and geographical diverse customer portfolio base ensure that we're in a position of strength. These unprecedented times further highlight the importance of maintaining our cost discipline, talented workforce, and the ability to adapt quickly to a fast evolving environment with care and respect for all of our stakeholders. I would like to end by thanking our board for their guidance and leadership. But in particular, I would like to recognize my many thousands of colleagues and contractors who have, throughout these extraordinary times, ensured our business functions safely, efficiently, and effectively. Thank you.